Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to change Instagram notification sound. First guys, you need to know that there is no option on your Instagram application to change the notification sound. First what you need to do is to go on your settings on your phone and then search for the applications on the manage apps, the second selection, and then here on the search box you should type Instagram. Go on it and then scroll down, go on the notifications and scroll down again. Here you have many options. If you go on allow playing sound, there is no option again for changing the sound. Now scroll down and here you have a lot of options right there, but it might be useful if you go on other. And also here you have on the third selection sound. Go click on it. Now here you can choose what sound you want to get when you get a notification on Instagram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.